In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog on Squarespace. Whether you're starting a blog to share your expertise, connect with your audience, or just explore your creativity, Squarespace makes it easy to set up and customize your blog to match your vision. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your blog up and running, ready to publish your first post. Let's get started. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you prefer, you can use the Continue with Google option if your Google account is already linked. This is a convenient way to access your dashboard quickly without needing to remember an extra password. Once you're logged in, click on the website where you'd like to add a blog. This will take you to the back end of your site, where you'll have access to all the tools and options to manage and customize your content. Now, let's navigate to the Pages section in the Squarespace interface. This is where you organize the structure of your site, including your navigation menu and all your pages. Look for the list of existing pages and then click on the plus icon. This is the button that allows you to add a new page to your site. From the menu that appears, select the blog option. Squarespace will now guide you through setting up your blog. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose a blog format. Take a moment to explore the different options available. Each format offers a unique style and functionality, so pick the one that best fits your vision for the blog. For example, some formats might emphasize visuals while others are more focused on text. Choosing the right one now will save you time later. Once you've selected your blog format, Squarespace will create a new blog page for you. Take a moment to review it, and then give your new blog page a title. This title is important because it will help visitors understand what your blog is about. If needed, you can adjust additional settings for your blog by navigating to the blog settings. Just in case you don't see the settings panel right away, it's located in the same section where you manage your pages. Now that your blog page is set up, let's move on to adding your first blog post. Return to your new blog page and click on the plus icon again. This time you'll see the option to add a blog post. Go ahead and select it to open the post editor. Here, you can start by entering a title for your blog post. Make it clear and engaging so it grabs your audience's attention. Then add your content. This is where you can share your story, tips, or insights. If you want to make your post more dynamic, you can also add images or videos. These visual elements can help make your post more engaging and memorable for your readers. Once you've added all the content you want, it's time to review your blog post. Make sure everything looks just the way you want it to. And when you're satisfied, click the Publish button. This is the final step to make your blog post go live on your website. By publishing, you're sharing your voice and message with the world. So it's an exciting moment. And that's it. You've just set up a blog on Squarespace and published your very first post. With these steps, you're now ready to continue adding new content and growing your blog over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.